Hey guys, FK Tech here. Today we will be looking at the all-new Toyota Camry Modellista. It wasn't long ago that Toyota launched the facelift 8th generation Camry in Japan. As in the European and American markets, the D segment now comes with styling and technology upgrades. However, customers who are dissatisfied with the sedan's extensive standard kit can opt for the all-new Modellista and GR parts. Now let's see what two ranges of accessories have to offer, starting with the Camry Modellista 2023 package. It is offered in two versions, Bright Elegance and Smart Shine. Now each of the Modellista Camry kits comes with its own individual design elements. The 2023 Toyota Camry Modellista Bright Elegance certainly looks good as it has a more purposeful look thanks to elements like chrome front treatment on grille and corners, rear chrome finisher on the bumper, side skirts with chrome trim, coated 19 by 8.0 inch Weds Leonis LV wheels with Yokohama Advan Sport V105 tires. The 8th generation Camry Modellista Smart Shine kit also gets a chrome treatment, but it's more prominent here. Contains front chrome finishers on grille and bumper corners, rear chrome finishers on taillights and tailgate spoiler, 17-inch aluminum wheels. The new Camry Modellista catalog also includes 16x 6.5-inch Weds Guild MA alloy wheels. Want something more aggressive and sporty for your Camry? Well, you'll want to check out the GR Parts kit. As mentioned earlier, it's sportier than the Modellista and has more visual appeal. For example, honeycomb grille with gunmetal finish surround, bumper extension in body color, roof and window trim in high gloss black, boot spoiler, rear bumper and side skirts in body color, double or quadruple outlet tailpipes, 19x 7.5-inch multi-spoke coated wheels with Goodyear efficient 235/40 tires. The Camry GR model is equipped with a Yamaha performance muffler that makes driving more comfortable by eliminating noise and vibration. GR an even more aggressive black edition is also available, thanks to black paint finishes that characterize the car's front bumper extension, rear spoiler, rear bumper extensions, side skirts and diffuser insert. The 2023 Toyota Camry is powered by a 2.5-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine that produces 178 horsepower and 221 Newton-meters of torque. The unit is connected to an electric motor that delivers 120 horsepower and 202 Newton-meters. Total system output for the 2023 Camry is 211 horsepower. The 8th Gen Camry benefits from Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5 Plus suite of safety features, which includes pedestrian detection at intersections for an autonomous emergency braking system, pedestrians at night and cyclists during the day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn on the notification button below. Thanks.
Pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? Doesn't work like it used to, as I know I remain a danger to me.